Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Here it's morning, guys. Yeah, it's about 10:30 like that. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share and comment down below. And for my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back and watching my video. I love you all, guys. I appreciate you for showing me love. My channel is nothing without you. So guys, the video of today, we're heading to the farm. As you see, this is the view now, how it's look like. Yeah, so keep watching and enjoy the video. I'm gonna do
Bismillah.
it took about 7 kilometers from here, so let's go. Not too far from Wow. So guys, we are finally here. We're finally here, guys. Not far. We almost. Yeah. And now we are entering the farm. We're entering the farm. Habibi here is out. How it's look like. This is the fence in the out. Yeah, and that's a small house there. You can take a break, you can rest, you can sleep wherever. When you feel tired, you can enjoy there. There is parking over there, and this is the farm, guys. Yeah, so we are going to park the car over there. There is chickens over there and ducks. Let's start here, guys. As you see, some chickens and ducks over there. There are ducks, and also there is a goat over there. That side, the other side. Let's show me you goat. There's our goats. They think I have food to feed them. And this is the place you can sit and enjoy the fresh air wherever and wherever. So let's go to the farm direct. This is the farm, guys. We start here. They planted a lot of fruits trees like guava. There is banana tree over there. There is sweet potato. These are sweet potato, guys. Moringa tree. This one moringa tree, guys. It has a lot of benefits. Moringa tree. They planted mangoes tree over there. Oh my god, banana tree, mangoes tree, guava, and others. They have lemon, lime, oranges. Yeah. And also they planted some greens like coriander. I don't know the others. What do you call them? I hope you guys will enjoy the farm. Look the green. Wow, so beautiful. Pomegranate trees. Yeah, there are pomegranate trees also. Mkungu jamani, mkungu. I don't know what you call it, mkungu in English. Yeah. Also there are dates trees. I don't know if I recorded. You can see them over there. So guys, I hope you like the view. It looks very good and clean. Yeah, so lunch time today. Lunch is chicken. We're gonna eat chicken. Lunch time, guys. Oh, we're having a lunch. Here's some chicken. After lunch, we wash dishes. After washing dishes, we take our time enjoying, and finally it's night. We go back home. I hope you guys you love the video, so make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Yeah, I love you all, guys. See you to the next video. I really appreciate you for showing me love. Let's say bye bye. See you to the next video, my God.